Our short phrase and sentence for you today is Kedu maka ezinụlọ gị, which means how is your family? Kedu maka ezinụlọ gị. If we ask you this question, what will be your response? You will say ha dị mma or ọ dị mma, which means they are fine or it is fine, depending on how you see your family. Looking up there, you see that family is represented by two words, ezi and ụlọ, joined together to mean ezinụlọ. Ezi meaning outside the home, ụlọ meaning inside. So if you see your family as comprising of many people that are together, you say ha dị mma. But if you see your family as one unit, you say ọ dị mma. So go ahead and answer this question. Kedu maka ezinụlọ gị? Answer ha dị mma or ọ dị mma. Either of the two is correct. So practice it today. And as you do, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like and comment so that we can know how to serve you better. God bless you.